Well, well, hello, it's Jacob, your boy, Jacob Reed back here. And today I'm going to be doing a reflection on my music video that I edited in Premiere Pro. So, in Premiere Pro, it is very easy to add effects. It is much easier to manipulate your film exactly the length and difference that you want compared to Final Cut, because before this, all I knew was Final Cut. So, I had a fun time playing with different effects and such. So, I'll just start playing it and then show you basically where it works. So, I used Guess I Just Feel Like by John Mayer. And so basically before this, all I knew how to do was Final Cut. Where, oops, there's a nice effect. There's another one. But in Final Cut, you drag the whole film into the timeline and then you cut it down to what you want. But in Premiere, you select the film clip and then you can get just a section and make a clip from your film and put that into. I'm very proud of this shot. Okay, back to it. And it's very easy to manipulate your film exactly as you can. Right now, for this whole thing, I used my iPhone 8 on a bendy tripod, which has worked great. But I manipulated the speed here, speed and such, and I don't know, it's really all down to what kind of feel you want. And here I was just kind of thinking like, what, editing wise, what would it feel like to kind of be lost and in a loop? So I thought maybe, well, here it's all colorized and then it switches to the shot of me and it turns black and white. Colorization, my favorite. It's great. It's absolutely fantastic. No, but yeah. Premiere is very good because you can manipulate your film exactly as you want it. And all the effects are relatively easy to use. You just drag it straight onto the clip. But as I was saying, I want this film to kind of portray the effect of being lost, almost. I think the speeding up here worked really well with it. Because I had like a 3-minute drive between Vision Tech and the mill where I was going to film, so I thought, you know what, let's try something different. So I attached the bendy tripod in my phone to the windshield wiper on the outside. And that shot worked really awesome because you can see the reflection of the sky, anything above it, like that telephone pole, in the window. And then there's another effect. So, it's really fun to play with effects in Premiere, and see what different feels you can make and what you want. And I do not feel very good. I've felt sick all day, but now it's just basically down to a guitar solo as it goes, as I'm driving. Hi, Aiden!
Hi!
There's Aiden. But now it's just basically a guitar solo through the rest of the video with the effect. And there's one effect that I remember putting on basically the end of the film from probably right about now in. It was kind of like a glitch, but it wasn't a glitch, and somehow that effect didn't end up in my exported video. Perhaps I didn't save it before. Perhaps I didn't save it after I put the effect on and then just exported the film so it didn't save, but I'm not quite sure. My hair looks great with this effect, for what it's worth. Yeah, I just like that effect a lot. Finish driving, and then it's gonna repeat the first two shots from the film, but backwards. The shot, I just walked down and back, and then it's almost over here. And then the last shot I had to walk backwards because I didn't film me going back. Then back in, and that's a good resolution to it, I think. So that was my music video edited in Premiere. Overall, I really did enjoy Premiere. I didn't think I would. I've heard horrible things about Adobe. And trust me, Adobe sucks. But if you work your way around it and, I don't know, buy it dinner first, it will work great for you. It's just a matter of getting used to it and actually using your resources. And just for what it's worth, if any of you were curious what my music video would sound like in, like, I think it's 400% speed, here it is. Okay, nope, I'm going to end off, so thank you guys. Thank Mrs. Ding for 100%. I just winked. We'll see you guys. Bye!